Hey guys, very good morning, and it's 10th November 2020, and I am looking at Banknifty currently running at 27,956, and I am thinking to short my position, but not yet sure because I want this candle to be closed. If I would take this as my resistance zone, and I might think it might fill the gap today, and also there are Bihar elections result today. So let's see how it goes, and I'm going to keep you posted. And for now, I'm just going to wait and see how the market is reacting. And mostly I might hedge options because there might be a lot of volatility in the market, as you know. There are election results and everything. So let me just look at 5-minute chart once. Yes, so it is opening exactly at the resistance, but let me see how it goes and what trend it forms, and then I'm going to take my positions after 9:30 and 9:40. And as I was saying, I'll be hedging options. I'm not going to take much risk on options because there might be volatility, and I don't want to screw up any of the options premium. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, I am shorting Banknifty with a very tight SL of 971, maybe 980. So I'm not gonna wait much. So I'll be shorting from here. So 250 quantity of Banknifty.
Order filled.
So I've shorted Banknifty for target of 775 with a very tight SL of 70 points. I'm not gonna wait if it touches there or if it's going to up. I'm gonna exit my positions. Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted on the same thing. Hi guys, and my SL was triggered, and let me show you my loss. It's 31,483 rupees loss as of now, 9:43 p.m. I had to exit early, but market didn't give me time to exit, and I do not keep stop losses sometimes because it triggers and it comes down, so I just take my SL there. But no worries, let's see. I'll try to recover this loss, and I'll keep you posted on the same. Hello guys, and I had taken another position of Banknifty from this one, 28,135, which now I'm exiting.
Order filled.
I have made a profit. So overall it was a loss of 31,000 and I booked a profit of 47,000, and my overall gross profit is 16,281 for the day. And let me show you my chart. So I made a position somewhere here, this region, as my SL was hit somewhere here, and then I waited for this candle to close, and as it made higher highs, and then I took a position here and I waited till here, and I'm exiting because I covered my loss plus I'm in profits. What else do you need? It's a good day. So probably I might close my trades, and if there is any trades, I'll update you like the same how I did right now. And see you guys